Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make money online trading crypto futures on Binance exchange. Also in this tutorial I'll show you how you can register on Binance and get referral bonus up to 30% discount on fees, how you can deposit your first money, whether you want to use a debit or credit card or you want to deposit crypto, how you can do the KYC verification, how you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP or any other crypto if you decide to invest for a long time and use the spot account. I'll show you how you can trade crypto futures step by step, and at the end you have a bonus crypto trading strategy that we use for trading and a free crypto trading and investing course if you would like to learn something more about cryptocurrency in general. So make sure to watch this video until the end. To save your time and not to make this video last more than 20 minutes, we wrote a step-by-step blog post to teach you the basics about Binance Exchange. In less than 2 minutes, I will go through how you can create a Binance account, do a KYC, do the deposit, buy your first crypto, and then we're gonna talk about how you can do the futures trading and start making money with crypto with less than $100. So first thing you need to do is to create your Binance account. You need to go to the official Binance website. You have a link under this video, or if you go to the blog post, official Binance sign up page will open and you will need to enter your email, accept terms and conditions and click next. And that's it. Your Binance account is created. Next step to do is to create your identity verification. To be able to buy, sell and trade crypto on Binance, you need to do a KYC. If you're from Binance restricted country or you would like to try an exchange without KYC, on our blog you can find information about Bitunix, that is the best no KYC crypto exchange that we use for futures trading, and we have an agreement with them to get a 20% deposit bonus that is directly credited to your account for futures trading. For Binance verification, you will need to prepare a photo of your ID or passport. You will do a quick selfie, and once you click on verify now, you just follow the instructions and in a few minutes your process will be completed. Next step to do is, once you complete your KYC, is to deposit money so you can start buying, selling and trading crypto. To deposit, you need to find a deposit button that is in the right upper corner, or if you use an app, you can find add funds button, and then you will have two options. One option is to buy using your credit or debit card, and other option is if you already have crypto on some other exchange, or maybe you have crypto on some wallet, you have an option to deposit crypto. If you decide to deposit using a bank card, you can use Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay. You just need to put amount you want to deposit and to select coin that you're going to receive. Once you do that, you just type in your credit card information and in less than a minute you will be done. If you prefer to deposit cryptocurrencies, you need to select coin or token you want to deposit. You need to choose the right network. We recommend using Tron network because it has a very low fees. And once you do that, you will receive your deposit address that you should copy and use for transferring your crypto. Once you do that, you will have crypto on your account and you can start trading and investing. First thing is that if you decide to buy crypto on Binance and hold it for a long term, the best thing to do is to use the spot account. Whether you want to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana or any other coin or token, this is how you do it. You find the option trade and click the trade button, and the new window will appear where you need to select cryptocurrency you want. You enter the amount and click buy button. If you want to sell any crypto that you bought, again you need to find crypto you want to sell, find the amount you want to sell and click the sell button. All the crypto that you buy and you have on your portfolio, you can view under the dashboard section. Now that we know the basics, we can talk about Binance futures trading and how you can make money trading futures. What is actually crypto futures trading? Futures contracts that you can trade on any exchange allow traders to gain exposure to cryptocurrencies without the need to possess the cryptocurrency itself. So it's basically the same as you trade crypto, just that you don't buy the crypto directly, you buy a contract with the exchange. All the other stuff is the same, like platform, prices, orders. You just have some more pros for trading and some cons for investing, which I'm going to talk about later. The dominant aspect of crypto futures trading is that it can protect investors against adverse market conditions. Traders can sell high and buy low to profit from the price difference, which is known as short selling. Essentially, crypto futures contracts allow market participants to make profits regardless of the price direction of the cryptocurrency. There are many benefits of trading futures. First one is leverage. To start trading futures on exchanges like Binance, you can use just $100. For example, to buy one Bitcoin on the spot market, you need thousands of dollars. But with the futures contract, you can open a long Bitcoin position, buy the whole Bitcoin with just a few $100 thanks to leverage. In contrast, leverage is not available in the spot trading. So if you only have $100 in your account, you can only afford $100 worth of Bitcoin, which is 0.00 something. To simplify, it means that if you have $100 in your account and use leverage 20 times, you will have a $2,000 buying power. Let's say that you buy one Ethereum when it costs $2,000 and the price goes up to $2,500. You sell at that moment and make $500 profit. But you can also protect yourself. You can put a stop order at $1,995, and if the price goes down to $1,995, the platform will close your position and you will lose just $5. That is your risk for this trade. You can use from 20 to 100 times leverage depending on your experience. The second benefit of trading futures is that you have over 500 different trading pairs. You can trade almost any cryptocurrency on Binance. You also have low trading fees. You pay something like 0.01%. If you want an additional discount, use the link in the description of the video to register for your Binance account. You also have more than 28 million active people trading futures on Binance, which means that liquidity is very good. I always suggest to people to risk no more than 1 to 2% of their account and always start small and risk just a little until they become profitable. You should always put money on account that you feel comfortable losing, like $100 or $200 for trading futures, and risk just $5 per trade. If you see in 1 month that you are profitable, you can easily start trading with a bigger size. Before I explain orders to you, I will need to explain what spread is. So I will try to explain with an example. Let's say that you want to buy Bitcoin right now and the price of Bitcoin is $20,000. You have a buying price if you want to buy that is $20,010 and selling price if you want to sell Bitcoin this moment it's $19,990. The difference between buying and selling price is called spread. So when you use market order, it means that you are getting into position immediately. If you want to buy cryptocurrency, you are getting it for that higher price. So you will get Bitcoin for $20,010. If you want to short or sell cryptocurrency, in this case Bitcoin, you will get it for that lower price, which is $19,990. We use limit order if we want to buy or short just when the cryptocurrency reaches a certain price. Let's say Bitcoin is $20,000 and we want to buy if the price goes to $19,000. We will put here the price of $19,000, let's say size of 1 Bitcoin, and we will go to the buy. Now, as you could see, we have an open order. It says here that if the price goes to 19,000, the platform will buy Bitcoin for us. You can always cancel or delete any of your orders. With the same method, you can also short any cryptocurrency. Let's say there is a resistance level here and you want to short if Bitcoin goes to 23,000. You will put the price of 23,000, size of Bitcoin. You don't need to short the whole Bitcoin, you can short 0.1 and you can press the sell short button. We will see our open order, and if the price goes to 23,000, the platform will short Bitcoin for us. First, I'm going to show you what you're going to do when you want to get into the position. Let's say you want to buy Bitcoin when the price goes to 23,000. You will put the stop price 23,000, size that you want to buy, let's say 1 Bitcoin, and press buy button. Again, you will see your order in open orders. If you want to short Bitcoin, you can short if the price goes to the lower price. Let's say you want to short if the price goes to 18,000, you will put stop price 18,000, the size of the coin that you want to short, let's say 1 Bitcoin, and you will press the sell short button. To protect your profits, let's say that you bought Bitcoin when the price was $20,000 and you want to risk $500 in that trade. You will put your stop price at $19,500, size of Bitcoin that you bought, for example 1 Bitcoin, and you will press sell short. If the price comes back to $19,500, the platform will exit your position and you will lose $500. If the price, for example, goes to $23,000, you can cancel your stop market order, put the market order and sell to take profit. The same principle is for shorting, just vice versa. If you would like to start trading cryptocurrency, we made a professional crypto trading course for beginners where you can learn step by step everything that you need to know. Also, on our channel, you can find a simple to learn crypto trading strategy that perfectly works for day trading and swing trading futures. I hope that I helped you to learn something new today. If I did, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in some of the next videos.